Hello guys, how are you all? I find that you all are good, and today I will teach you how to make this design and how to make different flags. Okay, so the first method is with this. Okay, it is solve Rubik's cube. White opposite is yellow. Okay, so first you have to bring yellow to the center part, then this middle part. Okay, now make a plus like this. Cross, no, middle part is white, and turn right up 1 2 3 4. Done. And how to solve it, I will teach you in this. Okay, wait. I need to make that design again. I forgot. Okay, first bring a yellow cross, then this middle part, 1 and again 2, then 1, then the u 1 2, then the down 1 and 2, then turn right 1 2. Done. It is solved. I'll make this also solved right now. Okay, now I will teach you how to make a Japan flag. First, up is blue, right is red, down is green, left is orange, and the back is yellow. Okay, bring the center line, the blue side, and there will be green in the white both side. And now turn up, turn down. Now the blue will, then this red part, bring it up like this. Now do like this, make a Japan flag. And now we see a magic. See this, guys, see this. This is looking like how I done it. First you have to bring this blue, first blue up, then right here, and then green. Okay, then up, down, then this bring down, yellow, blue bring down, and now the white piece like this, and then like this. Cube is solved. Okay, now I'll teach you how to solve this. Okay, these blue two are here, bring it right here. Then this two, if I put this here, only this can come up, the Russian flag. Okay, now if I put this in right here and I put up, then there will be a box. Now this up, there is two, like this you bring, and see here is also a white block. Bring it like this, again do it like this, again do it like this, and then it is soft. Okay guys, you can see I've solved this Rubik's cube. Okay guys, now I have solved the board of the Rubik's Cube and I have showed you all how to make different designs and how to make a Japan flag. In the next video I will show you all how to make different, means not Japan flag, other countries flags. Okay guys, but Japan flag is too easy. Okay guys, I shall wind up. Okay, bye guys. Bye bye. Bye bye.